Start in these developments that are coming in from Maharashtra and the Deputy Chief Minister's remarks as far as the border with Karnataka is concerned. He's reignited the border dispute with the neighbouring state of Karnataka. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa slammed Ajit Pawar for making that statement. He called for areas of Belgaum, Karwar and other border areas with predominantly Marathi-speaking population to be integrated with Maharashtra. Karnataka Chief Minister here has said that Ajit Pawar should stop politicizing this issue. The two states have been at loggerheads. Remember, this is nearly a 70 years dispute over border areas. We're going to be getting in more voices. In fact, multiple inputs coming in from both sides, both states, Maharashtra and Karnataka. First, going across here to our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh with those inputs. Also, our correspondent Neha Hebbale is getting us those details from Karnataka. Mayuresh, first to you, as far as the statement here that's coming from the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The timing of this, of course, is well understood. He stated this while marking, in paying respect to the founding father of the Shiv Sena. But given that this statement has come in at a time of a crisis when there is a lot many other things to focus on for the state.
Absolutely, there are a lot many other things which the state has to or the state should ideally focus on. But as you said that yesterday it was Balasaheb Thackeray, the Shiv Sena Supremo's death anniversary, and while paying respect to him, Ajit Pawar made that statement, or I can say Ajit Pawar made that press statement, and in that press statement he has clearly said that the areas like Nipani, the areas like Karwar, even the Belgaum, which are right now in Karnataka, these areas should be in Maharashtra, or these areas should be part of Maharashtra, and that was the dream of Bal Thackeray, and that's why we should strive to achieve that dream, or strive to complete that dream. That's what he has said. Yes, it has reignited that particular dispute between Maharashtra and Karnataka, because it's a 70 or more than 70-year-old dispute about the Marathi-speaking people living in those areas. Because if we ask any person from Maharashtra or any government in Maharashtra, they will say that the people living in Belgaum or Karwar, they want to be part of Maharashtra and not as a Karnataka. But Karnataka government is not ready for it, and we saw the way Yediyurappa, who's the CM of Karnataka, reacted to this. So certainly the statement from Ajit Pawar, the press statement of Ajit Pawar, has reignited this particular dispute between Maharashtra and Karnataka.
Right. Mayuresh, please stay with us. Also getting in further inputs from Neha. Neha, given the fact here that Karnataka Chief Minister, of course, has very strongly responded to this statement, suddenly coming in, being made, not by the Shiv Sena though, it is the NCP leader Ajit Pawar who's made this statement.
Well, Seher, that's absolutely right. Let's understand that, this was a dispute that's been going on for nearly 70 years now. And, the Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa slamming Maharashtra's Deputy CM Ajit Pawar over here, questioning why he's trying to politicize this entire issue. Let's remember, Seher, that a potboiler issue over here, a burning issue right now in Karnataka is already the fact that, the government has approved a Maratha Development Board or a Maratha Development Authority for the welfare of the Maratha community in these very areas that we're really looking at, that's Belgaum, Karwar, Nipani. So having said that, today, the Chief Minister Yediyurappa did go on to stress on the fact that the state government cares about Marathis or the Maratha community as much as they do about any other community. And this is precisely why they've even come up with this Maratha board. So for, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra to even be asking that these areas, be cut away from the state of Karnataka and be made a part of Maharashtra, he says is extremely unreasonable. Now, having said that, also, Seher, while you have the Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa hitting out at the Maharashtra government, you also have activists and pro-Kannada activists and local leadership over here as well, that has been protesting against this. We also saw the detention of some of the pro-Kannada activists earlier in the day today. stating that this move of the chief minister to, even form a Maratha development board would be diluting the values, would be, in fact, diluting the whole issue or the importance of the language of Kannada. So, having said that, this has been something that's really, been causing a lot of rift over here, even in the state of Karnataka, with leaders divided over this, while even some of the leaders in the opposition, have welcomed the Maratha development board, because at the end of the day, it is for the welfare of this particular community of, Marathas. There are others in the opposition who've slammed this move, and questioned the timing of it, keeping in mind the fact that, the by-elections to the Basav Kalyan constituency also right now are going to be underway in just a few days. So again, reiterating over here, Seher, the fact that this 70-year-old border dispute has again been raked up. It has been made an issue, and it definitely seems like for the moment the two states are going to continue to lock horns on this.
Well, Mayuresh, one final response here from you. Curiously enough, has there been any reaction whatsoever that's coming from the Shiv Sena? Because this was largely in marking, also in how the statement was made, to respect Bala Sahib's memory in making sure that these areas are merged into Maharashtra.
Shiv Sena has not officially responded to this particular controversy and not to what Ajit Pawar had stated. But yes, whatever Ajit Pawar has stated in his press statement, Shiv Sena is with the same line. And since we have seen that in the past also, because Shiv Sena was always on the front, and we have seen Uddhav Thackeray going at Kolhapur, even he had in the past, and he had addressed many rallies in which are supporting this kind of particular cause, or supporting this particular cause of reuniting the Marathi-speaking people living in this area, or basically merging these areas into Maharashtra. So Shiv Sena has always taken the same line, and this time we are seeing that Nationalist Congress Party leader and the Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, has also taken the line which Shiv Sena has already taken, and they have always supported such line.
All right, Mayuresh, Neha, thank you for getting us those inputs here in what largely is being seen as an unnecessary controversy being raked up yet again at this time of the crisis.